What's new in iOS 15.0.1? As usual, the new iPhone operating system update comes with lots of new features, design changes, and improvements. We have compiled a list of all the big new features in iOS 15.0.1. Welcome to TechJet, content featuring the technology. We deliver fresh, new, and interesting videos just for you. So don't forget to leave a like for this video and subscribe to see more of our amazing content. Without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Create a FaceTime link. This is directly taken from Zoom and Google Meet. I am also delighted to see Apple allowing the creation of FaceTime invite links. Simply open the FaceTime app on iOS 15 and hit the Create Link option at the top. This will take you directly to the Share menu, where you can share the invite URL with members through social media apps. This one is even handier now that your Android and Windows pals may join the FaceTime call over the web. So yes, Apple has finally launched FaceTime on competing services. Grid View is also accessible in a group of FaceTime calls. FaceTime on iOS 14 displayed multiple tile sizes to represent group members on the call. While the renders look fantastic, the actual experience was confusing. With iOS 15, Apple adds the ability to see members in a grid view. During group video calls, just press the three-dot menu and choose Grid View to see all of the participants in a grid view. Number 2. Use Magnifier App. Need to zoom in to view certain detail using your iPhone? It is no longer necessary to open the camera app and use digital zoom. iOS 15 now has a new Magnifier app. As the name implies, you may use it to zoom in on things, text, apply filters, use a flashlight, adjust the brightness slider, and more. That's really amazing. Number 3. Master Focus Mode. With the addition of the focus mode in iOS 15, the default Do Not Disturb mode gets a new look. Rather than a single Do Not Disturb mode, you may select among home, work, sleep, and more focus profiles, each with its own set of notifications and call behavior. Long tap on the focus menu after swiping down from the top right corner. You have the option of using one of the default iOS focus profiles. You can further customize each mode by choosing which applications and contacts can send notifications. Number 4. Create custom focus profiles. In iOS 15, Apple hasn't stopped with a simple focus mode. You can even create unique focus profiles based on your usage and convenience. You must first go to Settings and then select the Focus menu. There, you can create as many focus profiles as you like, including writing, yoga, meditation, and others. You can customize the home and lock screens for each focus profile. Here, the options are limitless. The good news is that all of your focus profiles are synced across all of your Apple devices when you use the same Apple account. Number 5. Notification Summary. This one will come in handy if you have a busy day. Notification Summary combines notifications from different applications and delivers you a summary of them at a specified time. It is disabled by default. However, you can enable the toggle in Settings. Go to the Notifications menu and select the right moment to notify you of your notifications. Number 6. Utilize Live Text. Live Text on Device Intelligence can now detect text in a picture or camera viewfinder. For example, you can point the iPhone camera at a business card, scan the email or phone number with live text, and then take action on it. It also works in Photos. Open one image from the gallery and find the text in the image. It might be useful when converting handwritten notes to text on the phone. Live Text is also supported by other apps. For example, in the Email app, you may use the Email from Camera option to immediately import the email address using Live Text. Unfortunately, at the time of launch, Live Text support was limited to only 7 languages. Number 7. Check image EXIF details in the Photos app. iOS 15 now allows you to view an image's EXIF data directly from the Photos app. This means you won't have to rely on third-party apps to check the details of a shot you took. You can check photo size, maps, photo date, time, resolution by viewing any image in the Photos app and tapping on the Info eye icon. Another new addition is system-wide drag and drop. To truly enjoy the awesomeness of this trick, you must do it in person. Long press any picture, video, or file in one app to open another and place it there. Then, with one hand, keep the content pinned while opening another app with another finger and dropping the content. It is compatible with all Apple applications. For example, using the drag and drop method, you can choose a photo from the Photos app and attach it to an iMessage conversation. Friends, I hope you're enjoying the video. Then don't forget to subscribe to the channel TechJet. And if we missed something important so far, tell us in the comment below. Keep watching. We are exploring something new ahead. Number 8. EXIF Spotlight Search from the lock screen. New features are also added to the Spotlight search. Spotlight explores photos using intelligence to find photos based on location, people, sceneries, or objects. Spotlight can also identify text and handwriting in photographs using live text. Furthermore, the Spotlight now includes online image search as well as all new rich results for actors, musicians, TV shows, and movies. The good news is that you can access all of these features directly from the iPhone lock screen. In addition, Spotlight Search is ready to serve you with the same swipe down action as the lock screen. With iOS 14, Apple added the ability to hide home screen pages. iOS 15 takes it a step further, letting people to completely delete home screen pages from the app. Long press on the home screen's empty screen and select the dot menu above the dock. To begin, disable the home screen page you want to hide and touch on the dash icon in the top left corner to delete it. Number 9. Add wallpaper background in Safari browser. This was already supported in Safari on macOS Big Sur. The same wallpaper customization trick is available in the iPhone with iOS 15. Open Safari on your iPhone and scroll down to the bottom. Select Edit, and then choose a suitable wallpaper from the background image option. You can also add wallpaper from the iPhone's gallery. Users can now use the same Safari extensions on the iPhone as they can for the macOS Safari browser. Previously, it was exclusively available to ad blockers. iOS 15 enables developers to create mobile-friendly Safari browser extensions. For the time being, the selection is limited. However, we can expect more developers to create Safari browser extensions in the future. Number 10. Unlock Home using Apple Wallet. This is another beneficial update for people who live in an Apple ecosystem. Users can now use the stored key in the Apple Wallet app to access their house, hotel room, or even their office. Open the Apple Wallet app, enter the saved digital key, and tap the phone to the lock. The room is ready for you to use. Third-party devices and hotel chains will be accountable for rapidly adopting the functionality. Number 11. Smart Lists in Apple Reminders. Smart Lists is a handy add-on for Apple Reminders. They're just normal lists with a clever mind behind them. By adding conditions to the list, you can create any list into a smart list. When you create a task that meets all of the smart list conditions, the app will automatically add it to the smart list. Users are not required to provide any manual input. Number 12. Use tags in Apple Notes. One of our favorite iOS 15 tips. Finally, Apple Notes gets the fan-favorite tags add-on to help you organize your notes. You may add a hashtag to any note, and the app will generate a tag out of it. The feature is also available in the macOS Apple Notes app. Number 13. Enable iCloud Private Relay. One of our favorite new features of the iCloud service is iCloud Private Relay. Private Relay hides your IP address and Safari browsing activity from network providers and websites, so no one, not even Apple, knows who you are or what websites you are visiting. It keeps prying eyes and spammers out of your web traffic. Private Relay hides data from your ISP as well as advertisers that want to build your online profile. Only paid iCloud users to have access to iCloud Private Relay. However, you can enable the toggle from the settings. Go to iCloud, select the Private Relay menu, and you are done. Number 14. Share Apple Health data. You can now share your health data with friends and family members using iOS 15. The information you provide will be shown in their health app. You will also receive notifications for key health measures, such as an increased heart rate, etc. Everything is designed with privacy and security in mind. Apple simply provides an overview of each topic, not the details. The data is secured, and you can stop sharing at any time. Number 15. Use iCloud Authenticator. iCloud keychain now includes much anticipated two-factor authentication support. When you view the password of any website in the iCloud keychain, you'll notice an option to enable verification code for the app. Users of iCloud keychain can use it to replace apps like Microsoft Authenticator and Google Authenticator on their iPhones. Do you get bored of using your primary email address on every website you visit? Apple is taking care of this issue with iOS 15. You may also use iCloud to create temporary new email addresses. Go to Settings, then iCloud, and then Hide My Email. You can create multiple temporary email addresses to use. This is an amazing part of iCloud's Hide My Email functionality. Users can protect their personal email addresses by creating unique, random email addresses that forward to your personal inbox and can be removed at any time. So guys, that brings us to the end of our list of the best 15 iOS tips and tricks for grasping the latest iOS update on your iPhone. Apple hasn't stopped here. The update includes lots of new features for the operating system. Which of the iOS 15.0.1 tricks on this list is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching the video. Before wrap up, subscribe to TechJet to watch more incredible videos in the future. Please stay connected with us. See you in the next video. Bye.